It is raining so hard. And right now it is 10 p.m. at night. And we're trying to go to bed and we now hear this. Oh!
It's raining hard, y'all. Keeps lightning and raining and it's just been raining non-stop for minutes now. Not minutes, but like 20, 30 minutes. On the flood observatory. So,
Show me the flood.
let's just look.
Oh, crap.
Good God. Here, I'll show you it. Flood observatory.
Flood observatory.
Seymour. Supposed to last till 12:30.
Wait, go to flood observatory.
Do what?
There it is. Flood observatory on weather alerts.
Yep. Son of a bitch.
I caught that on camera. We thunder.
This is non-stop.
Yep, so
Non-stop.
that's really it. It's raining freaking hard right now. Okay, so I just found out that there is a major Hurricane Franklin. It says Hurricane Franklin is rapidly gaining strength in the Atlantic Ocean and is anticipated to become a Category 3 major hurricane by Monday. While it is not predicted to make landfall in the U.S., it will generate significant swells and dangerous rip currents along the eastern seaboard. Bermuda is also expected to experience life-threatening surf. Girl. What? Dang, that's so bad. I'm gonna say read more, but oh well, this is very small. Oh my God. Maximum sustained winds 100 miles per hour. What? And 28.65 inches maximum central pressure. What?
No.
Oh my God.
That's not normal.
That is bad. Well, that's all I really have right now. So I'm practically looking up everything. It says lightning flashes in northwest Kansas sky. You hear thunder as I'm screen recording this, but I just saw it lightning, and I'm checking the stuff.
I'm definitely gonna sleep tonight. What the hell? Now I have to worry about a hurricane.
Oh my God.
Hooray!
I mean, it's not.
It's coming now.
Yeah. There's a flood observatory, so this is probably going to end it.